everyone, I'm Emma. Welcome to week 2 of my 5-minute daily challenge for tight hips and tight quads. We're going to need a cushion today and we're going to start with cross legs. So cross your legs at the calves, draw the feet underneath the knees, draw the toes in and draw the heels out. So a slightly different way of sitting with crossed legs. Place your hands on your knees and sit tall. We're going to take 5 breaths here. Drawing the breath in through your nose and out through your nose. Press down with the sit bones, sitting tall. Our challenge this week is to work on our glutes. Last week we were stabilizing the knees and stretching the hamstrings. Taking one more deep breath. And then sliding forward as you inhale. And as you exhale, drop the head down. Inhale, draw the arms up, coming up to sit. Have hold of the inner heel with your right hand, right foot, right hand. And we're going to rock back into half happy baby. So lying back, left leg is bent, foot on the floor, knee out to the side. Drawing the head down to the mat. Draw the heel up so it's in line as much as you can with the knee. And pull down on the heel. At the same time, push up with the heel into the hand. And draw the heel to your thigh, to your left thigh. Coming into threading the needle, we're going to thread the hands behind the thigh and draw the knees in. You can here, if you want to, support your head. Oh, to make this slightly more advanced, you can bring the hands on top of the knee. So these are the variations that you can do. Drawing the legs in as you inhale. And as you exhale, cross the knees. You're trying to get the knees right on, stacking on top of each other. And then using that head support. This is really important in this pose because we want to have our head grounded. Draw the knees in. And if you can reach a little bit further, grab hold of the ankles, maybe even the outside of the feet. Cow's face pose. This is a deep, intense stretch on the glutes. And release. Keep the legs crossed. Release your head. Drop the legs down to the left. And reach out with the right arm. Now if your shoulder is hanging in midair, use that cushion that you have handily behind you to place under the shoulder and place your hand on your hip. If not, you can stretch the arm out all the way to the ground, but make sure your shoulder is supported. And take those deep breaths in and out through the nose. Drawing the knees in, we're going to take that sequence on the other side. So start in half happy baby, take the left heel with the left hand, drop the right leg to the mat. Pulling down on the heel and pushing up with the heel at the same time. Draw the heel to the thigh. Thread the needle either behind the thigh or over the knee and support your head if you need to. Drawing the legs in and taking deep breaths. Release the hands, cross the legs so your knees are stacked as much as you can. Use that support for your head and grab hold of either the knees, the ankles or the feet, drawing the legs in this really intense deep stretch. One more deep exhale and release. We're going to come into our supine twist. So this time drop the legs over to the right and use a support for your shoulder if you need it. Stretching out, looking the opposite way from your knees. Finally, draw the knees in on an inhale, squeeze the knees in, cross the legs on your exhale, and inhale, using a bit of momentum to roll up into your crossed legs. So let's finish by drawing the calves to that cross-legged position, drawing the feet under the knees, tuck the toes in towards you and the heels out. Place the hands on the knees. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in. Focus on your body and the sensations of your body. Take a deep exhale, releasing tension. Namaste. Thank you for joining me, and I wish you all the best until our next 5-minute session next week. Namaste.